Hi everyone, my name is Brianna and today we're going to be making some tissue paper jar art.
Materials you will need include tissue paper, school glue or a glue stick, a jar, and some scissors. First, put down some glue on your jar. You can use school glue or glue sticks. Now stick the piece of tissue paper onto the jar. You can make different shapes with the tissue paper. Once you're done, let the jar dry and you're ready. Use your jar as a pencil holder or put a candle inside and make it a centerpiece for your table. Have fun!